INFP accuses an ENFJ of lying even though she isn't, it can create a particularly painful and confusing situation. When a jealous INFP accuses an ENFJ of lying even though she isn't, it can create a particularly painful and confusing situation. Here's how that dynamic might unfold. Scenario: the ENFJ female is naturally social and has many friends, both male and female. She is open, honest, and values transparency in her relationships. The INFP male, who is more introspective and sensitive, begins to feel jealous when he perceives that she is giving attention to others, particularly to male friends. His jealousy might lead him to question her honesty, even if there is no basis for his suspicion. Jealousy-driven accusations. 1. Interrogation and doubt. The INFP might start questioning the ENFJ's actions or words, looking for inconsistencies even where none exist. For example, he might repeatedly ask, "Are you sure you were just with your friends?" Or "Why didn't you tell me about that earlier?" His jealousy could make him hypervigilant, causing him to scrutinize everything the ENFJ says or does, searching for signs of dishonesty. 2. Projection of insecurities. The INFP might project his own insecurities onto the ENFJ, believing that she is lying or hiding something because he feels vulnerable or inadequate. For instance, he might think, "If I were in her position, I might be tempted to lie," and then assume that she might be doing the same, even though she isn't. 3. Emotional manipulation. In an effort to protect himself from perceived betrayal, the INFP might manipulate the situation by making the ENFJ feel guilty or defensive. He could say things like, "I just don't understand why you would need to hide something from me," or "If you really cared about me, you'd be more honest." These statements can make the ENFJ feel like she is being untruthful, even when she knows she isn't. Number 4. Creating confusion and self-doubt. The INFP's accusations might cause the ENFJ to question herself. She might start to wonder if she accidentally said something that could be misinterpreted, or if she's done something to make him distrust her. The constant questioning and doubt can lead to confusion and self-doubt, making the ENFJ feel like she's walking on eggshells to avoid further accusations. Number 5. Withdrawal and punishment. If the INFP's jealousy leads him to believe the ENFJ is lying, he might withdraw emotionally as a form of punishment. He could become cold or distant, refusing to engage in meaningful conversation or affection.